Where is she, Henry? Where is she? Where'd she go? Where'd Ruby go? Where is she, Henry? Where is she, Henry? Where? There she is. She couldn't get you, Henry. Good, get him, Ruby. She snuck up on you. She gets it. What you doing, Ruby? What you doing? You playing with Henry? Ruby! Gotta be nice. Miley's afraid of you. She's got your ball, Henry. That birdie's got your ball. Oh, she's stealing your other toy. Oh, he just stole your toy, Ruby. Henry just stole your toy. You trying to bring it out for him, Ruby? Or you just want him to know you've got it, huh? You probably just want him to know you got it, huh? No, don't chew on that, Ruby. Got Henry's tennis ball under the couch.